Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Angel Gabriel Tarets. This video I have converted in English that what is the message from Sushant Singh Rajput, our very beloved and respectful actor, for the Arnab Goswami, and some of our viewer has demanded me to convert this in English, so I'm converting it in English. I'll explain one by one that this card comes first in the when I have asked that what is the message Sushant Singh Rajput is giving wants to give to the Arnav, because Arnav's card are not good for him. The death card and that beating type of harassment type of card is coming in the earlier video. So I wanted to uh, know that what is the message, because some things as a human we cannot see, but the spirit or a soul can watch and see over us, that what is the truth. So I have asked that what is the message, because Sushant is himself an angel. So I have connected the spirit. This is the truth that I this is the technique how I usually connect to the spirits only. So the first card tells that just now Arnab should this is the lover's card. That means Arnab is just now wanted to be do by his own, wanted to be like a do everything, every decision by his own. But this is wrong, that Arnab should listen to his wife. First of all, Arnab's the message first comes that he should listen to the wife. Arnab just now is thinking that he can do everything alone. No, this is not possible. The message from the Sushant is he should listen to his wife, to his wife first, Arnab's wife, and whatever his wife saying to him, that no, please do not go in this dirty type of things of Bollywood, or leave this stubborn type of things. Don't be so stubborn. That whatever the wife is saying, that Arnab should listen. And the message, second message is that Arnab himself is very good, knowledgeable person. There is no doubt. And the intuition of the Arnab is very strong. The intuition is very strong. And this card also tells that that his wife intuition is also good. She must be feeling that there is something with his with her husband. That's why the message from the card is that Arnab should listen to his wife, that he should come back. And because some devil type of person wants to kill him, you can see this sword killing some devil type of person killing the Arnab, and he wanted to, you can say, remove from his path. So Arnab is in death threat, and this is not a good card for Arnab, and this wife knows. That's why the message is to listen his wife first. The intuition of the wife is very good, and his wife is also very good. If he will not listen, that everything will be burned in his life, everything will be damaged in Arnab's life. If he will not listen to his wife, and he should go back to his home. Arnab should go to back to his home, to his wife, and should listen to his wife just now, and everything just now he should uh, go back. That means Arnab should not be stubborn in one thing only. The revolution he has started, that revolution is okay, but not a he should not put his life on death. That this is not a wrong, this is not a good thing, this is wrong thing. That is what wife will be explaining him. And this is the wife card coming out, that Arnav's wife is very innocent and very good lady. She is very knowledgeable also, and she is very innocent type. She is very good lady, and she loves her husband too much. But Arnav should understand that just now he should listen to his wife. If he will not listen that to his wife, then his wife will be very alone, and the entry of the third person is possible. That's why Arnab should listen to his wife. Otherwise, his wife will be alone, and his wife will not be able to decide everything alone in her life. It will be very difficult life for his wife. Some third person entry should not be allowed in between the husband and wife. This should be avoided. Otherwise, everything will be destroyed in both the husband wife life. This is the message. And the next, when I asked from my cards that what are the other messages also, then these three cards came out. And the first card tells that Arnab is very knowledgeable. He distribute his knowledge to his juniors also in office, and the juniors also asked from him that any idea on any knowledge. That means the junior gets knowledge from Arnab also. He is very knowledgeable. And just now if he will not be able to if he will be stubborn at one place only, stuck in one topic only in his life, then all the doors, this devil will, what the devil will do, he will do all the ways of the Arnab close. He will try to close his mouth, Arnab's mouth. Arnab is shouting for the justice, and that devil is wanted to shut his mouth. That should happen. This is the, you can say, the all the windows and are closed of this tower. So Arnab should, and if Arnab is still not warned, then this card shows that at the end, in spite of having so much of knowledge and so much of fame, Arnab at the end will have to face the insult from these dirty people. So that's why this card tells that Arnab should avoid just now too much involvement in this dirty things. Some limit should be maintained. And because there are the death threats, because these dirty people want to kill him actually. And that's what he is saying in the media also, earlier also. And he is also feeling, Arnab is also feeling that so much of harassment has been done, that he is also feeling that harassment has been done, and the cards are also coming of death and harassment and beaten. He has been beaten too much by the Mumbai police. So if he will not leave this topic, if he will be remain stuck, then at the end he will face the insult and everything will be burned or destroyed. That's why the cards have came to go back to home. Just now leave the war. This is the war card, and soldiers are going back to the palace just now. This is not the good time. This is not actually not the good time to just fight, because this devil type of person wants to kill him anyhow. And if the Arnab is so good journalist, very truthworthy, we can say, such type of people should live. So this is the only cards are messaging from the Sushant Singh Rajput. I have connected in that video, and this only this is the, it's very important message that Arnab should go back just now, and after some time he can come, but not just now. This is very critical condition, and this is the message only that Sushant Singh Rajput has given and in that video. Thank you for watching my video.